Assalamu alaikum. This is Ansari Yasmin teaching maths and science in Anjuman Islam Abdulaziz Khatkhate school. Today I have come up with a very important and very interesting topic of your maths textbook, that is finding the area of a plot. Now students, this plot could be of any shape, but you need to find the way to find the area of this plot. Like suppose if this is the plot, so how I am going to find the area of this plot? I will divide this plot into small shapes in a particular shape which is having a formula to find its area. For example, if I have this plot, the name of this plot is P Q S T. Okay, here there is R also, P Q R S T. So to find the area of this plot, I have divided this plot into 5 parts. I have divided this plot into 5 parts. This is the first part, which is of triangular shape. It is a right angle. Then this is the second part, which is of trapezium shape. Then this is the third part, which is again of triangular shape. It is a right angle. Okay. Then this is the fourth part, which is again a triangular shape, right angle triangle. And the fifth part, if you will see, this is again of triangular shape. Okay, so I have divided this plot into 5 parts: triangular, trapezium, triangular, triangular, triangular. So I'll find area of each part and then I'll add the area of all the parts so that I'll get the area of this whole plot. Okay, so let's start. I have already written here the formulas to find the area of different shapes. If the triangle is a right angle triangle, then we will find the area by using the formula 1/2 into base into height. If the shape is trapezium, then to find the area of the trapezium, we are having the formula 1/2 into sum of parallel sides into height. And if the triangle is other than right angle triangle, then we will use Heron's formula to find its area, that is under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, so I'll start with the first part. This is my first part. The name of this part is PQA. So I will first find area of triangle PAQ. As it is a right angle triangle, so I will use the formula 1/2 into base into height. This is my first part. I am writing here first part. So let's put a value here. In this right angle triangle, the right angle is forming at A. So your PA would be base and QA would be height. So 1/2 into base is 30 into height is 50. Let's solve this. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 will remain here, 2 5s are 10. So 25 zeros are 0 and 25 3s are 75. So it is 750 square. All the measures here in the plot are given in meter. So the area would be square meter. Okay, so we have got the area of the first part. Now let's come to the second part. The second part is trapezium. As QA and RC are parallel to each other, and the perpendicular distance between these two parallel sides, this is trapezium. These two are parallel sides and the distance between these parallel sides is CA. Okay, so let's find area of second part, which is of trapezium shape. Area of trapezium, what is the name of this trapezium? QACR. So I will write QACR is equal to, the formula is 1/2 into sum of parallel sides into height. Okay, so 1/2 into parallel sides are these two, QA and RC. So we need to take their sums. So I will take sum of 50 and 25. So 50 plus 25, then into height is the distance between the two parallel sides, which is AC. So distance from C to B is 30 and from B to A is 30. So from A to C would be 60. So I will write 60 here. Okay, let's put this second part on its place. This is my second part. Is equal to 1/2 into 50 plus 25 would be 75 into 60. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, and this 0 will remain as it is. 75 multiplied by 0, it will give you 2250 square meter. Okay, now we will go to the third part. This is my third part. So I'll go to the third part now. This third part is again a triangle. Again it is a right angle triangle. Let's see what is the name of this triangle. RCS. Area of triangle RCS. Because it is a right angle triangle, I will use, let me write here down so that I'll get space. Area of triangle RCS is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Okay, so here CS would be base and RC would be height. So 1/2 into base is 60 into height is 25. Okay, now let's place this triangle also on its place. Yes, let's solve them. Is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, and 0 will remain as it is. 25 zeros are 0 and 25 threes are 75 square meter. Okay, so I have got area of the third part also. Okay, now I'll come to this fourth part. This is my fourth part. This fourth part is again a right angle triangle. Okay, I am putting this fourth part on its place. Here it is. Okay, let's see what is the name of that fourth part. Area of, as it is triangle, is of triangular shape, I have written triangle here, SBT. Area of triangle SBT is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Is equal to 1/2 into, here base is from S to B. The distance from S to C is 60 and from C to B is 30. So from S to B would be 60 plus 30, that is 90, plus height would be this one, which is 30. Let's solve it. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 1 will remain here, 2 5s are 10. So 15 zeros are 0 and 15 nines are 135. So it is 1350 square meter. Okay, now the last part, this fifth part. Now this fifth part, if you'll see, this is again of triangular shape. It is a right angle triangle. So let's see what is the name of this right angle triangle. Let's put it here on its place. Okay, so the name of this triangle is PBT. So area of triangle PBT is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height is equal to 1 upon 2 into, from P to B would be base. The distance from P to A is 30 and from A to B is also 30. So from P to B it would be 60. So base would be 60 into this perpendicular on PB is height, which is given 30. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 and 0 will remain as it is. So 30 into 30 will give you 900 square meter. Okay, this is the fourth part and this one is the fifth part. Now we will find area of the whole plot. Okay, so area of plot is equal to area of part 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. I will add area of all these parts, all the 5 parts. Okay, let's put value of all the parts. Part 1 area is 750, so I will write 750 here, plus part 2 value is 2250, plus part 3 is again 750, plus part 4 is 1350, plus part 5 is 900. Add all the areas so that you will get the area of the plot. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, you will get 0. 0 plus 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15 plus 5 20, 0, 2 would be carry here. 9 plus 2 11 plus 3 14 plus 7 21 plus 2 19. 9 plus 2 11 plus 3 14 plus 7 21 plus 2 23 plus 7 30. So 0 here, 3 would be carry on 1000 place. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6. So it is 6000 square meter. So the area of plot is equal to 6000 square meter. In this way we can find area of any plot. We just need to bifurcate, or we just have to divide the plot into a particular shape which is having a particular formula to find its area, and then we will add all those areas so that we will get the area of the whole plot. Okay, so this method we can use to find the area. Thank you.